Welcome to TechBee, where we cut through the noise and find the gear that actually makes your content better. Whether you're just starting out or ready to level up your setup, today's video is for you. Let's get into it. Picking the right vlogging camera in 2026 is genuinely tricky. Some cameras are amazing in specs, but a nightmare to use on the go. Some are great for casual vlogs, but fall apart the moment you need to shoot in low light, move around, or produce anything cinematic. Starting the list with the one that might genuinely be the best casual vlogging camera ever made, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This thing fits in your pocket but shoots like a much bigger camera. The secret is the 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive upgrade over its predecessor, which delivers outstanding dynamic range, beautiful low-light performance, and genuinely cinematic footage. It shoots 4K at up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit D-Log-M for color grading, and the 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization means your footage stays smooth even when you are moving fast. The 2-inch rotating OLED screen makes it effortless to frame selfie shots or landscape video without flipping things around. ActiveTrack 6.0 keeps your face locked in the center of the frame automatically, so you can set it down and it will follow you around the room. The built-in mics are solid and it connects directly to DJI Mic 2 wirelessly for professional audio without any extra hassle. For anyone who wants incredible video quality without carrying a bulky camera setup, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the easy choice. The link is in the description below. Next up, for the creators who do not stay in one place, the DJI Osmo Action 6. The Action 6 is DJI's most ambitious action camera yet, and it genuinely feels like a proper camera in a tiny, rugged body. It features a 1/1.1-inch sensor with a world-first variable aperture that adjusts from f2.0 all the way to f4.0, giving you real control over depth of field and exposure in a way no action camera has offered before. You get up to 8K video support and 4K at 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion, plus 50 gigabytes of built-in internal storage, so you are never scrambling for a memory card. Rocksteady stabilization keeps everything smooth, and it is waterproof right out of the box without needing a case. Dual touchscreens on the front and back make it easy to frame shots from any angle. Super Night Mode handles low-light situations that would completely break other action cameras. For vloggers who shoot adventure content, travel, sports, or anything that requires durability and flexibility, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is the best action camera for content creators in 2026. The link is in the description. For those who want a proper compact camera built specifically for vlogging, meet the Canon PowerShot V1. Canon took 6 years to follow up the beloved G7X Mark III, and the PowerShot V1 was worth the wait. This is Canon's answer to Sony's dominance in the compact vlogging space, and it hits hard. The camera shoots gorgeous 4K at 60 frames per second with full dynamic range, has a wide 16 to 50mm equivalent lens, perfectly suited for handheld self-shooting, and includes a built-in cooling fan so you never hit a recording limit mid-vlog. The multi-capsule directional microphone on top is one of the best built-in mics you will find on a compact camera, and a wind muffler is included in the box. The autofocus is reliable and fast, the colors are classic Canon, warm, natural, and flattering, and the C-Log 3 recording gives you 14 stops of dynamic range for serious color grading in post. It is pocketable, sturdy, and genuinely capable. For the vlogger who wants beautiful Canon color in a compact body without carrying lenses and a mirrorless system, the PowerShot V1 is a seriously compelling pick. The link is in the description below. If you are ready to step into the world of interchangeable lenses without breaking the bank, the Sony Alpha ZV-E 10-2 is the camera to get. Sony nailed it with this one. The ZV-E 10-2 is built around a 26-megapixel APS-CBSI Exmor R sensor processed by the Bionz XR engine, the same chip found in Sony's more expensive cameras, producing crisp 4K video from an oversampled 6K readout. Most importantly, it now shoots 4K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2 color with a barely noticeable 1.1 times crop, a massive leap over the original. The flip-out touchscreen works beautifully for solo shooting, and the 3-capsule directional microphone system does a great job of isolating your voice from background noise. The E-mount lens ecosystem is one of the best in the industry. You can grow this camera for years with better glass as your content evolves. S-Cinetone and S-Log color profiles give you a cinematic look straight out of the camera. USB-C live streaming lets you use it as a high-quality webcam instantly. For the serious creator who wants a compact, mirrorless camera with a room to grow, the Sony Alpha ZV-E 10-2 is one of the best vlogging cameras you can buy under $1,000. The link is waiting in the description. And for the professional creator who wants the absolute best video quality available in a mirrorless camera, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 2X is on a different level. This is not a casual vlogging camera. This is a cinema machine in a mirrorless body. The S5 IIX is built around a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with phase detection autofocus and Panasonic's powerful Venus engine processor. It shoots 6K at 30 frames per second internally, Cinema 4K at 60 frames per second, and crucially, records Apple ProRes internally without needing an external recorder. That alone puts it in a different category from almost every other mirrorless camera at this price. It also supports ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW via HDMI out, giving professional editors every format they could ever need. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization is outstanding. The fully articulating touchscreen is great for vlogging, and the weather-sealed body means it can handle real shooting conditions. Vlog gives you 14 stops of dynamic range, and the native camera-to-cloud integration with Adobe Frame.io lets your editors start cutting while you are still on location. For the filmmaker, documentary creator, or professional YouTuber who needs a camera that can do everything, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 IIX is the best full-frame option on this list. The link is in the description below. That is the lineup of the best cameras for vlogging in 2026. Whether you want the pocket-sized brilliance of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the rugged adventure capability of the Osmo Action 6, the compact perfection of the Canon PowerShot V1, the interchangeable lens versatility of the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 II, or the full professional power of the Panasonic LUMIX S5 IIX. There is a camera here for every type of creator. All the links are down in the description. Go check them out and start shooting. I will catch you in the next one.